So there's the left front brake. Caliper was fine. Left rear brake. Painted the backing plates and calipers and brackets. Right rear caliper was fine as well. Managed to retract the piston. Painted the caliper, bracket, and backing plate. And last but not least, the right front. So now we can put the wheels back on. So you can see the timing belt has got some cracks in it. It's original belt, 22 years old. So it's definitely time. And if you look at the trace of coolant running down from the water pump we pulled, right dead center in the screen. So we're going to change the water pump, timing belt, tensioner, guides, idler, serpentine belt.